Good day everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will be remaking an old one, specifically the one where you render only what is in the compositor and you skip the viewport. Now this is not a very complicated thing. In the previous tutorial I did take a little bit of a more complex route with it. You don't have to do that, so let's just get into it. So when you have something in your compositor that you want to render out that is not based on your 3D viewport, which is this area, then all you need to do is just go into the compositor, set up your stuff, make sure that you don't have any render layer nodes in your setup, and then you go into your render settings, which is this little printer icon. It may change, may not, I don't know. Make sure that in post-processing that sequencer is turned off and compositing is turned on. That way, if your sequence with whatever effects is connected to the composite node, if you press F12, that is what you will get. You will only get your compositor, skipping all the extra stuff. So just as an added bonus, because I see this happening with my projects when I start them the first time, is whenever you render, it opens a new window, and I really don't enjoy it. So what you do is you go to render and you go display mode, and then you select full screen image editor, keep user interface, or new window. It's new window by default. So all I do is either set it to image editor or keep user interface. So yeah. So if you press F12 now, that's what you get. That's the default response we had in 2.79 and so on. So that's it for this tutorial. Have a great one and God bless you.